Let's make Spider's Basil Daiquiri. To make this drink, I'm going to start by putting 2 or 3 basil leaves into my shaker. I say 2 or 3, but look at the size of this basil leaf. This is almost as big as my palm, so I'm just going to put 1. But if you don't have basil leaves this big, feel free to use a couple and eyeball it if needed. Next, I'm going to put in my lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1/2 ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. I need to do some math in my head there quick. 1/4 ounce of Chareau, and Chareau is an aloe liqueur. So if you find another aloe liqueur, feel free to use that instead. I don't know how many aloe liqueurs there really are, but there you go. 1/4 of an ounce is 7.5 milliliters. And finally, your rum. 1 3/4 ounces of your Diplomatico. 1 3/4 ounces is 52.5 milliliters. That just about finishes off my bottle. Get some ice, add your ice, and give it a shake. Note, I am going to shake it a little bit longer and a little bit harder because I want that basil to break up a bit. Now, I am going to double strain this into my coupe. Set that aside, and garnish. Spider did not give me a garnish. However, I do have these dehydrated limes. I'm going to use one of those, and as a garnish, you can use a regular lime if you want. A couple of basil leaves might be nice. But there you have it. Spider's Basil Daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.